So how much money can you get with a reverse mortgage? This is a question all of my clients ask, and it's a little bit more difficult to answer in a simple response. So let me clarify. With a reverse mortgage, the amount of money that you have access to is determined by the value of your home, what current interest rates are, and how old the youngest homeowner is on the loan. And so this can vary dramatically from person to person. Generally speaking, though, it can range between about 35% of your home's equity or your home value to up to 65% of your home's value, again, depending on how old you are and where interest rates are at the time. And so what I recommend to people is the best way to find out is let's just look at it. I can plug in your information within a few minutes, answer this question in a very detailed way. If you go online and find the online reverse mortgage calculators, just be a little bit cautious. I've never found one that's very accurate in all of my practice. And so if you're online trying to figure this out for yourself, just understand that what you're looking at online probably isn't going to be reliable. Now, let's jump to the next step, which is, or the next question, which is, well, how can I receive this money? And the nice thing with reverse mortgages is that when we do the reverse mortgage, the first thing that we focus on is whether or not you have a mortgage now that we're going to pay off. Once that mortgage is paid off, if you have additional money that's available to you, you have a few options. You could take some of that money to pay off other debts, consolidate other loans, or medical expenses or anything else you have. You could take cash to take vacations, pay for any repairs on your car, your house, or whatever you want to do there. The nice thing is that this money is yours and yours to choose what you want to do with it. The other nice thing is that we have a few options in terms of how you receive it. Now, most people will usually take a line of credit where they have an open line where they can come back to the bank into the future and say, well, I want this much now, I want this much now, and they can choose over time how much they take and when they take it. Other clients that I've had will choose to take everything up front. They just want to pull all of it out right now and do what they want with it. And a third option is you can actually set up monthly payments. So if you wanted to sparse this out for the rest of your life, absolutely, we could do that too, so that you're receiving a set amount of money every month deposited into your account, just like income. And so again, in your situation, you may choose one or the other, whichever is more beneficial to your retirement. And so it really just makes more sense for us to sit down, talk about it, look at your options, and then you can decide what fits you the best. So if you have questions on a reverse mortgage, want to see how it's going to fit you, of course, let me know. We'd be happy to look at it with you.